In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chaos parameter in Midjourney. If you've ever wondered how to make your image generations more predictable or wildly experimental, the chaos parameter is the simple control that helps you do exactly that. Here's the idea in plain terms. Chaos adjusts how varied Midjourney's initial image grid can be. Lower chaos values give you safer, more consistent interpretations of your prompt. Higher values push Midjourney to explore unusual compositions and surprising directions. Think of it as a dial from orderly to adventurous, ranging from 0 to 100. To use it, open Discord where you access Midjourney. In the message bar, type the /command imagine. You'll see the prompt field appear. Write or paste your prompt as you normally would. Now, add the chaos parameter at the very end of the prompt. Type a space, then either ~chaos followed by a number, or the short version with ~c followed by a number. For example, you might write a serene forest at sunrise, misty light, photorealistic, chaos 10. The short form works the same way, like this, C10. Be sure to include a number between 0 and 100. Here's how to think about values. A chaos value around 0 to 20 will keep results close to your prompt's core idea, which is great when you want predictability. Mid-range values, say 30 to 60, open up more variety without getting too wild. High values, like 70 to 100, are best for exploration when you're hunting for fresh compositions or happy accidents. If you're just starting out, try 10, 30, and 60 on the same prompt to get a feel for how the mood and layout shift. A few practical tips help you get the most from chaos. Keep your prompt text the same when comparing different chaos values, so you can clearly see the effect of the parameter itself. Place the chaos flag at the end to avoid breaking your prompt. Use 2 dashes and don't forget the space before the parameter. Remember that chaos primarily influences the initial set of images Midjourney shows you, so it's especially useful when you're exploring options at the start of your creative process. That's all there is to it. Type your prompt with the imagine command, add chaos or C at the end with a number from 0 to 100, and let Midjourney show you how adventurous or consistent your results can be. Try a few values today and see which level of creativity works best for your project.